President of CEC1, which is the Lower East Side and East Village in Manhattan. I'll try and make this quick because I do appreciate that you're staying. And I'd like to thank the committee and Chair Jackson for once again holding hearings that allow the public and our elected representatives to question the DOE, because as you know, that's not something we get very much chance to do. And as you also know from this testing debacle, it's very clear that under mayoral control, there really is no accountability. I've been to plenty of hearings that look actually just like this by the time I speak, and we know over and over again that nothing changes, and there are never any consequences to the people who make the decisions and the policies. Today we learned, for instance, that the DOE has no plan to address the systemic failure that they've created over the last 8 years and their failure to provide a quality education to all children. They have no plan to create equitable access to quality schools. They have no plan to close the achievement gap. They have no plan to support the students and the families and the schools that have been failed by the system that they created. And they have no plan to create an assessment that actually measures real teaching and learning. The only plan we heard is the usual passing of the accountability buck. That's right, passing it back to the schools, to the teachers, and even to the students and their families, while we also increase class size and cut their budgets. So for this simple reason, I have prepared a resolution, a sample resolution, that I would love to present to this committee, and perhaps this committee could present it on to the rest of the City Council, and that I will be working with to pass on for consideration to CECs, PTAs, SLTs, and other parent bodies, where I'll go into my demands in a second, but I just really want to say that if we don't change the carrots and the sticks, nothing will change. We have to remember the definition of insanity. I think that's what we're experiencing here, collective mass insanity. We keep doing the same things over and over, and somehow we keep thinking that we're going to get to a different outcome, and really we are seeing more of the same. And I would just put to you that the status quo right now is this administration. We have not made the progress they've been crowing about. So basically in the resolution I ask for just a few things: that we provide immediate and massive academic intervention to the students who are labeled failings, that's the ones in the twos and our high school students; that we support struggling schools by providing real support in the form of extra resources. One of those, of course, would be the very important lowered class sizes. That's essential. I also am asking that we suspend all high-stakes standardized test-based policies and decisions, and that instead we create a holistic, comprehensive measure of teaching and learning that is based on multiple measures, that has been approved by parents, teachers, administrators, and education experts this time around. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and